Hey, welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Yes, I'm looking at a new inexpensive vacuum by Eureka. It's called the Dash Sprint. Yes, it's a very inexpensive vacuum around a $99 price point. It looks kind of cool. I wanted to try something different. I was getting sick of the expensive vacuums like those Dysons for $500 and they keep breaking, and I wasn't happy. So I said, instead of spending $500, let me spend 99 bucks and see what it does. So this is just a quick overall review. Just to give you ins and outs about a cheap, inexpensive vacuum that can pretty much do the exact same thing, but some quirks about it. But here's a look at it right here. It has a detachable handle. It has the PET Turbo tool, which is actually pretty cool. It works pretty good. The build quality is a little plasticky, a little bit cheap build. It definitely is a difference. There's no question about it. It's got the washable filters, cyclonic motion, onboard tool storage, easy extra large empty dust bucket, whatever, brush control, and LED headlights. We always have to have LED headlights with your vacuum. That's the new rule today. LED headlights, so forget it. It won't pass inspection. I don't know. Whatever. So here it is right here. So I want to do an unboxing. I'm going to show it to you how it works in its environment. I'm going to look at the brush heads. I'm going to look at everything. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you enjoy all my videos, I do all kinds of how-to videos and also practical and important videos as well. So here's the packaging here. Simple, no tools at all, guys. So this is really important. You don't even need a screwdriver to put this together. Super simple, snap and go technology. Let's call it that, okay? Snap and go technology. A couple of tools, nothing fancy. Get the brush, the crevice tool, nothing fancy at all in this box, but really it does the job. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate it. If you enjoy my videos, let me know. Leave some comments down below, and also a thumbs up would be great. And let's get to the video.
Okay guys, so here we go. I took everything out of the box. You can see everything that we have in the box here. So you can see here is a nice canister. It's got that nice technology built in, really easy to release. Let's see, that's how you lock it in. And to release, there's a little button over here. Open up the bottom, the release. It's like a release right here on the bottom. It looks pretty simple, pretty easy. And this takes off the top, so you can clean the top of the head. This all comes out, so this is really easy to do. Here's the power head. Again, not high quality. I mean, it is what it is. It's $100, so for $100, not bad. Again, here is the actual handle itself. You can see here, and this pretty much snaps in, I'd imagine. Here's the actual motor itself. So here's the motor. You can see here. It's pretty lightweight, not heavy. Really long cord. Obviously, at least 25 feet on that cord. At least that. Here's the motor. The tilt with the motor itself. Here's the bottom of the brush. Let's take a look at the bottom of the brush head. Oh, you can see the brush head here. Again, everything is what it is. It's you get what you pay for. Okay, it's $100, but I wanted to get something a little bit lightweight and a little bit more manageable to handle, and that was the goal behind this vacuum. So to put it together, looks like to me, just pop it in right there. It's easy enough. Super simple. That locks up, clips on top. You put the let's see, that goes right here. You can see how that snaps right in. Just like that there. So the basket goes right there. There's a cyclone technology, you can see here. And this is where the hose goes. Hose goes here, up and around, and goes into here. So that way you can use it for extension hose as well. So that's kind of nice as well. Okay, so first thing you gotta see here is take this long piece here and just snap it in here. And just snap and locks in. So that's all locked in right there. You can see that. It locks right in. This goes over here, just like that. And this goes right into here, just like that. Like you see here. And again, just push in and locks in just like that. You heard that click. And that is all locked in. So that's all set to go. That is all connected. Good to go. Snaps in the bottom here. It's like you see here. So it goes here and just snaps forward. So that. Just like that. So that's easy enough to put in. All good to go. All right, let's line up this puppy and see how it sounds and see how it works. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, let me know by leaving me a like. Also, subscribe to the channel. I do all kinds of weird and different things, and I always try to find cool and interesting things, from expensive $500 vacuums to the cheap $99 vacuum. Honestly, it's not about the price always. It's always sometimes about the performance. So let's see how this one works. Okay, so before we get to the test, let me just pop these on. So what I like about this vacuum, I have to tell you, everything here, there's no tools required at all, which is really nice. This is for the cord. Again, these just pop in. Okay, so this just popped in here. Really just give it some force, pop it in 2 hands, and then if the top one on the top here, this turns so you can release the cord as you wrap it. And that just releases the cord, so you can see that. So you just wrap it around here, and that's where that goes. Super simple. All right, guys, let's power it up. Okay, we just plug it into any old house outlet will do. Plug it in right in here, and let's turn it on and see how it sounds. Okay guys, so here we are, we have it all plugged in as you saw. Now we have two buttons right here. This is the power button, on and off, and this turns on the power head for the brush, right here, on and off. So if we do hardwood floors, shut that off. If you're doing carpeting, low pile, high pile, I don't think it really matters, you turn it on. So that's pretty much how that works.
Okay guys, so we turned it on here, so I want to do a voiceover here. It's really loud, just to let you know the vacuum's pretty loud, but you can see here when you hit the button here, the power brush head goes on, and then when you shut it off, click it with your foot again, and it shuts it right off. So I'm just going to vacuum this carpet, do it quickly, and just give you an example of how it looks. And so far so good, like I said, not bad quality at all. Let's go.
Got some good suction, I can tell you that much. This is a tough carpet. This one's really have a high pile. This is really hard to vacuum, this carpet. It does have the long cord, so that is the drawback. But I'm gonna vacuum the small rug, and then we're gonna see what's inside the bag. You can see some of the dirt and dust starting to pile in there. You can see the cyclonic motion. So that's important. Okay. Let's shut it down. Okay, so first impressions. It definitely does the job. It vacuums like it should. It picked up some of the dirt like you saw. And let's take a quick empty it out here and see what we have on the floor. That's always the test I like to look at. Again, small carpet. I don't expect a ton, but I do expect some. Okay, here you go. Not bad. Not bad from a small carpet. It picked up all the fine particles, all the dirt. My granddaughter makes a mess. I can see all the little crumbs in here from crackers. So yes, is it worth $100? Absolutely. Does it do what it says? It does. Hey, real quick, so if you want to use the wand extends. You just take off this, like I told you before, it just pops right off. Just comes right out, just like you see here. And you can attach it to this puppy right here, like that, okay? This comes off easily. Just hit this button here. This comes off, and you can just do high areas. Real easy. Turn that on again. Plug in your and that's how that works, just so you know. Using with the hose, you can see here, just detached from the head over here, which pops right out really easy. Then you can use it as just a hose, a vacuum hose. Power. How that works. You're going to use a power head, you just snap this on. Wow, that's pretty powerful.
Okay guys, sorry it went too long on this video, but I really just want to give you the in and outs of pretty much how this vacuum works. Is it worth $100? Absolutely. Does it do the job? Yes. It is a little plasticky. It's not high quality plastic, and that's what you expect when you spend $100. But also, does it work as it's designed? And it does. You can see the cyclonic motion. You can see the pickup power. It does what it says it does, and that's all you can ask for, honestly. So you'll get many years out of it. You'll get good use out of it. I think it's a great vacuum. I'm sorry the video went a little long, but I want to just really show you a little bit of everything. Sometimes your videos are just too short. You really can't see, you know, like pick up the wire here. You know, there's a wire in a way. It's not cordless. It is what it is. It's $100, but it's a great vacuum. All right, guys. So I'll leave a link down below. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out. I appreciate that quite a bit. Also, consider that super thanks. That also helps support my channel so I can continue doing what I do, as always. All right. Appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review.